Hi everybody! I'm Mommy Nicole Hyala.
And I'm Princess Nicole.
Hi everybody! I'm Mommy Nicole Hyala.
And I'm Princess Nicole. Dating anak 21, Philippines.
Who's that?
Daddy.
Okay, so what are we gonna do today? Today we're going to do an unboxing. Anong i-unbox natin for today?
Bluetooth kid singing machine.
Bluetooth kid singing machine. Nice! Wow! What do you think does it do?
Wireless, hands-free calling, USB micro CD, input, karaoke function, FM radio, rechargeable battery.
Nice.
Okay, so tinanong ko pa si Princess, what do you think it does? Nakalimutan ko na nakakabasa na siya. So tama sinabi niya, it's wireless. Meron siyang hands-free calling. It has USB and micro SD inputs. It has a karaoke function, an FM radio where you can listen to Tot Love Radio, and a rechargeable battery. So ibig sabihin, pwede ito outdoor. We can bring this outdoor, for example, to the beach. Right?
Right. What do you mean rechargeable?
Rechargeable, it means, yeah, you can charge it through USB. And then, if it's already charged, you can carry it even if it doesn't have, it's not attached to the wire
And
anymore.
this is also a bag.
Let's see. Oh, it is!
It is!
It is! Dun, 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 dun. It's a bag! Nice! Bagelya siya, guys. So, pwede ka maglagay dito ng, anong pwede mo lagay dito, babe? What do you think?
Phone? I think inside there's the microphone.
No, the microphone is there.
No, there's no microphone.
There is a microphone. Nabubukas ba siya? Yeah! Nabubuksan siya.
Your wallet.
Ah, okay. So, small lang yung compartment inside. So, you can put your phone, you can put your money.
You can also.
Yan. So, meron din siyang handle. Princess, show them.
Why is there handle?
Because it's a bag. So, pwede siyang shoulder bag and pwede siyang handbag. Okay. So, do we turn it on? How do we turn it on, babe? Oh, so yan, na-turn on na ni Daddy. So, it can be connected via Bluetooth, Dad.
Wait.
I-on. So, meron siyang Bluetooth function. So, i-connect natin siya sa...
Hello.
It's
Hello.
connected.
Babe, it's not
That's
connected.
my-
It's not connected. Connect mo muna. Ay, hindi ko mahanap. Ay, sorry, baby. I think I turned it on. I think I turned it off.
On ko na namin.
Ah, bakit ano? Oh, so ito ay naka-connect sa phone ni Daddy. So pwedeng Bluetooth. So meron siyang karaoke function. That's that. Party! Kakanta ka, babe. Go. Okay, can you try? Can you try? Can you try? Can you try? Like a small boat. Okay, go.
My car. She's in all the magazines. So much prettier than
Mother.
me. You don't know it hurts. Staring at my iPhone screen. Watching my business
Louder.
bedroom. Mama, she said to me. Mama, she said
To me.
one day my love you'll see the pretties on the inside. See it in your own eyes. Look a little closer in the mirror tonight. The pretties on the inside, but I can tell my own mind. Maybe if I look a little harder,
I find pretties on the inside. Pretties on the inside. Nabasag na. O, diba? So, do you like this? It's very nice. Tapos, you can now use it shoulder bag. So now we can go around. Let's say, if okay na to go to the beach or to anywhere else, we can bring this along. Yan. So again, this is our Bluetooth Kids singing machine. Yay! Salamat! Thank you for watching our unboxing. It's so nice. Ang ganda.
Always remember to
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos. Bye!
Always your number one SM radio station.